Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set your Siri to read your messages in another language. So first of all, you want to go to your settings and you're going to scroll down until you see Siri and search. After that, you can see there automatically send messages. And as you can see, there's no other option for the language, which means that my phone needs to be updated. If you don't see add another language option, you will need to update your phone. So to see the update, you're gonna go to General and Software Update. And now, as you can see, there's a iOS 17.4.1 update, and I need to update my phone to see that option now. Now, when the update was done, you're gonna go again to the Siri and search, and you're gonna click Messaging with Siri, which is a new name for automatically send messages. And as you can see, you can add language here. So let's choose, for example, French. And basically you can add any language and it will read messages in that language. To delete this, you just basically slide to the left and delete it. So yeah guys, that's basically it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.